Imagine you're a talent recruiter for a publishing house and like to invest your money in the best author and their work. If you try to look up for the information, it might be dark before you even come across a valuable source. The problem being, there is too much information on the internet today. You could also be a young investor looking to invest in the world of literature. You want to know the market for books published over the years and the language in which most books are published, and many other information that would be too tiresome and too complicated to go through countless searches over the internet. Or you could be an avid reader who had just been gifted a gift card and you want to purchase the best rated audiobooks available. You might encounter the same problem. Lastly, imagine you're the chair of a literature festival and would like to have the authors of the top 10 best selling biographies on the panel. You might be overwhelmed with the unstructured information and wish there was a place that analyzed all the information for you. Introducing BooksDB. It is not just a directory for book titles, it also features analytics of book titles, authors, languages, and more for over 1 million books. Alright, let's take a look at the demonstration of this web application. The BooksDB web application features a stunning yet simple user interface where the user can search for the books and the information that they want using the search criteria available on the homepage. Here you can see that the search criteria consist of category, author, rating, and format. As we scroll further, the homepage features editorial analytics on the book sets available, also the categories in which the books are available, and the number of books available in each of this category. Lastly, the top biographies and their ratings, and as well as the authors. Now let's look at some of the books based on category. Here we are selecting art and photography as the category, and when clicked on submit, it features all the books that are under the genre art and photography. Let's scroll up and try to search for books based on author. I'm selecting Julia Quinn from the list of values. When clicked on submit, it features all the books that are written by Julia. Let's look at some of the books that are rated between 4 to 5. As you can see, it also features a book cover as well as the other information that you might need. I want to check how many books are available in the format CD. Clearly, there are a lot. Now let's look at some of the featured analytics this application has to offer based on the data of the books. When clicked on the Analytics tab and selected Average Rating and hit on Submit, it features a pie chart where each sector represents the total number of books with that appropriate rating. As you can see, blue represents 0, 5 is represented by the color yellow, green is represented by the rating 4. And as you hover over, you can see the total number of books in each of these ratings. You can also highlight the only books that you want to look at by selecting the appropriate rating on the legend. Now let's look at some of the other analytics like best-selling rank. Here it features a bubble chart where the size of the bubble represents the number of ratings each of these books got, and here are the top 10 books based on their rating. Let's look at some of the other analytics, like the dates in which these books have been published. As you can see in this area chart, since 1970, the book market has been steadily yet fluctuating, going up and up until 2020, where the pandemic hit and it declined steadily. Interesting, right? Other analytics include format. As expected, paperback takes the lead, followed by hardback, CD and audio, and other formats in which books are available. Lastly, let's look at an interactive infographic on the language. English leads in the number of books published in the language, followed by various other languages such as Spanish, German, French. So go ahead, discover books with BooksDB. Thank you.